Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we're talking about if your appliance breaks in your apartment, can you withhold rent until it's fixed? The answer depends on two things: state laws and the terms of your lease agreement. Most states have what's called an implied warranty of habitability, which means landlords are required to provide and maintain essential living conditions. This typically includes things like working plumbing, heating, and appliances that are provided with the rental, such as your refrigerator. If the landlord doesn't meet this obligation, you might have the right to take action. In many states, tenants are allowed to withhold rent if the landlord fails to make timely repairs, but only if certain conditions are met. For example, you usually have to notify your landlord in writing about the problem and give them a reasonable amount of time to fix it. Now, what's considered reasonable? Now, that can vary. It might be a few days for something urgent like a broken refrigerator, since it impacts your ability to store food. However, withholding rent isn't always a straightforward solution. If your lease agreement specifically prohibits withholding rent, or if you don't follow proper legal procedures, your landlord could potentially evict you for non-payment. That's why it's critical to understand your rights under your state's landlord-tenant laws and to document everything. Keep copies of your written notices and take photos of the broken appliances. So what should you do? First, check your lease and your state's landlord-tenant laws. Second, communicate with your landlord in writing and document the issue. If they still don't take action, consider consulting a lawyer or local tenant advocacy group to make sure you follow the proper steps. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.